rolling blunts. We got hella bitches. We don't fuck with no cunts. We don't fuck with no punks. Yeah, we about stuff. Got my nigga Kyle here. He about to throw up guts. Cause a nigga can't handle shit. I be slamming in the clits. My nigga can't even handle it. But Luke, he be jamming shit. Kyle over here. Got all these bitches looking at me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. If you on Twitter, at me. Follow my ass. Snapchat me, but don't send me that pussy if that shit's hairy. Yeah, I'll be down in DMs. Yo, bitch, she at me again. And don't be adding me on Facebook as your fucking friend. I don't want your shit. I just be in your clips, and I ain't gonna call your bitch ass after it. Yeah, I'm with my nigga Kyle, and my name is Miles. So if you tryna find me, yeah, I'm the one and only child. Got my nigga here and Alice sitting next to him. Yeah, I be on fucking beat like my fucking hat brim. I got my nigga Kyle here and my other one too. And this bitch recording, and her name is Lucy Lou. So her name is Quad, and she ain't got no job, but I hire her ass to slob on my knob like the corn on the cob. It's like I'm playing, girl, and you know I don't be fucking with no Indian girls or no
I'm literally not Indian.
Cause I don't give a fuck. I got your bitch right here. She in my fucking truck. I put it in her butt and send her on her way. But I don't fuck with no niggas, cause you know the boy ain't gay. But I be playing every day. Chillin' over here, about to tag my girl Allison, then I'ma disappear.
Damn.